Alright, I have a question, my guy. Alright, so I'm on the phone with my friend, and I'm letting him know that you guys don't speak English in Jamaica. Like,
all Jamaicans can
all of you?
speak proper
All of you?
English. That's what we speak in Jamaica. Is proper English.
Not just the politicians, all of you?
All of us.
What?
Yes.
Jeremy? No, that's... Jeremy? Wait, is that your girlfriend? Is she Jamaican, right?
Yes.
Oh, well, let's listen.
Babe, what's up?
Alright, so you know that girl there, what's her name there? She there, pan that sitting there. Me forget her name still, but you know, say me and she kind of, with that word there, where two people that look like one another, they remember, how we are word? Jeremy, how we are word? They look like one another, they favor. They remember, Jeremy, how we are word?
Resemble.
Resemble, yes, we resemble. So I know you're bright, you know. Lord have mercy.
Shut up.